Swati Nakshatra females, what will be happen in October, November, and December. And we discuss about the Gocharam and let's we discuss about this and what will be happen October, November, and December. Let's we see. Financial gains are on the cards for you this month. The mind power and wisdom may take you a better way. Health and wealth prosperity will prevail you for this month. You will wear good clothes and ornaments. You will buy some new clothes and ornaments for your family members. Journey towards in the on the horoscope. Careers and converse of yours will outperform others. In terms of business and careers, constant growth in on horoscope. There will be no complaint from your boss or customers is going to good for this month. I mean October. October Swati Nakshatra female born, they will get a good result for this month. And if you get any problem for the remedies, you can do it. You better performance this month. Visit Shiva temples and do Rudrabhishekam, Shivalinga Abhishekam is the best for you. And second one is November. November, Swati Nakshatra female characters. I mean females. What will be happen? Always I'm using the characters that are habituated with the characters. Sorry. And coming to the November 2020, you will get one is from your immediate bosses and other higher officials, fear of the weapons and fire. Some works may not give you the fruitful results this month. Differential rules this month are for you. Finance wise, it is not a good period. You may feel the death of month this month. Travel towards south and southwest side. Southwest side is on horoscope. You will feel pressure and tension during journeys. Unnecessary enmity towards some people will cost you more. And minus and plus, you have to be take care in the November. Feel confident while speaking to officials and other professional people. As coming to the while you getting your severe, Gocharam along with the horoscope. If you get the bad result, you will do one thing. The thing is actually. Whatever remedies I'm telling, you can do that one. The rich persons do, that's the way, and high rare remedies. But if you're the normal person, you can do a small one. The remedies are here. Worship Lord Shiva, perform Shivalinga Abhishekam is to you. You can able to buy a small milk packet. That's enough. And chant Kojastuti, Mangal Stotram and Durga Stotram. Kojastuti, Dharini Garbha Sambhutam, Vijit Kanti Samaprabham, Kumaram Sakti Hastam Tam Mangalam Pranamami. Like that you can chant. And coming to the Swati Nakshatra monthly predictions for December 2020. Third one, relation with the friends or relatives and well wishes may go wrong. Have to be careful. And time to cut relation with a bad friend. You might behave like a monkey this month. Too careful. Use your mind is very careful. You will lack stability in thoughts. Unnecessary arguments with near and dear. And so you have to control, you have to be patient. And anger spoils a positive energy and you will do some generous deeds. Daiva Bhakti, devotion to God will increase. Career and business will get better steadily. And some additional authorities will be given to you by your higher official. Loss of wealth, fear of snakes and other reptiles. Remedies, visit Navagraha temples and perform Ketu Puja and chant Ketu Stuti. Maharudra Abhishekam or Shivalinga Abhishekam will be an ultimate remedy to overcome the adverse effects. And this is a story about the October, November, and December. So this is the predictions, guys. Listen. And the females born in Swati Nakshatra, one thing why you are telling like this, because of only one thing. That's one is Ardhashram Senurani. It's not good for to anyone. So do Shiva Puja is the best way to get the solution for anyone. It's the best way. If you do the Shiva Puja, I'm not a person like that. I'm not a good rich person. You are asking me, sir, I don't know how to do, and then I can't able to do Rudrabhishekam. You can pour water Shivalingam. That's enough. Say Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Like this enough to you. So you can do this one. That's the story about October, November, December. The females Swati Nakshatra, you will get do this one. You are going to get good results. That's enough.